The product is received. Let's test it right now. The appearance looks very mini, which is not reassuring. It's advertised as having a powerful suction. I'll try it. Ah, so violent. I think it removes particles and dust with ease. Very perfect. Try its blower function. Very powerful. This function can be used to blow away the dust in the corners and crevices, and use it to clean the places where the vacuum cleaner cannot suck. It can also inflate balloons, air cushions, yoga balls. Try it. I like playing this. Happy birthday! This mini vacuum cleaner works awesome. You can keep one at home and one in the car. Recommend.